Wolfkingtech is a leader in technological innovation in China's food processing equipment industry, benchmarking against the global high-quality standards and assisting the digital and intelligent upgrading of food processing industry equipment. The core team of Wolfkingtech is unwavering and has been deeply involved in the industry for decades. Our product line continues to evolve, including food heating, quick freezing, and overall solutions. We are the only manufacturer in China that covers pre-treatment, heating to freezing complete production lines, innovative technology, meticulous manufacturing, and professional services provide support and equipment guarantee for the world food processing industry. Since its establishment, Wolfkingtech had seized industry opportunities, forged ahead, and rapidly grown into a representative of high-end brands in the industry. It has developed and produced the first domestic spiral oven, as well as launched a large-scale fryer, oven, and IQF that benchmark international first-class brands, as well as the first domestic brine shower freezer and various series of high-end plate freezer. Our products serve multiple fields and provide processing equipment and production line for fried, steamed, and frozen fully cooked poultry products for leading poultry brands such as Tyson, Shannon, and Dachshund, etc. We provide key IQF for ice cream for Unilever's Walls brand. We provide key equipment and overall solutions from heating to freezing and seafood processing for many leading brands in the industry, such as Ocean Family, Guolian, Xianmei Lai, Red Chamber Group from the US, QL Group from Malaysia, and Tallies from New Zealand, etc. Wolfkingtech's products are also widely used in food processing industries, such as rice and noodles,
prepared food for hot pot,
bacon, fruit and vegetable processing, and prefabricated dishes. Leading enterprises in the food industry such as Sanchuan, Sunian, Anjing, Nanqiao, Yihai Jiali, Qianwei Yangchu have gradually become partners of Wolfkingtech and established long-term stable cooperative relationships. Jiangsu Wolfkingtech Corp. Unlimited.